भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, जय हिंद. Good morning. I'm Chitrarekha Jadhav from RZP School Usarli Khurd, Panvel, Raigad. Today 8th August. Today is special day in Indian history. At 8th August 1942, India and Mahatma Gandhi ji Congress Party announced Quit India movement Chale Jao अंग्रेज़ों भारत छोड़ो August Kranti. In Indian history, the stories of how India fought to free itself from the shackles of colonial rules still reverberate in our hearts. From the Great Revolt of 1857 to the attempt of independence in 1947, lakhs of freedom fighters fought to free the country from the British tyranny. Undoubtedly, the fight would have been incomplete without the participations of women. In that, there was one great revolutionary, Preetilata Vaddedar. Preetilata Vaddedar is well known and great revolutionary of Indian freedom fight. Preetilata was born in middle class Vaidya family on 5th May 1911 in Dhalaghat village in Patia Upazila of Chitgaon. Now it is in Bangladesh. Vaddedar was well-known person. Preetilata's father name was Jagabandhu Vaddedar. He was a clerk in the Chitgaon municipality. Her mother Pratima Mai Devi was housewife. The couple had 6 children. Among them, Preetilata was very brilliant. Jagabandhu tried to arrange the best possible education for their children. He got Preetilata admitted in Dr. Khastagir Government Girls School of Chitgaon. Preetilata was a meritorious student, a teacher in the school whom students affectionately used called Ushadi, used stories of Rani Lakshmibai to inspire nationalism in her students. Kalpana Datta, a classmate of Preetilata, writes in the biography that they were inspired from these stories. Arts and literature were Preetilata's favorite subject. She passed out of Khastagir Government Girls School in 1928 and in 1929 got admitted to the Eden College, Dhaka. In her intermediate examination, she stood first among all students who appeared in that year's examination from the Dhaka board. As a student in Eden College, she participated in various social activities. She joined the group Sri Sangha headed by Leela Nag under the banner Dipali Sangh. To pursue higher education, Preetilata went to Calcutta, now it is Calcutta, and got admitted in Bethlehem College. 2 years later, she graduated in philosophy from the college with a distinction. However, her degree was withheld by British authorities of Calcutta University. In 2012, she and Beena Das were confirmed their certificates of merit posthumously. After completing the education in Calcutta, Preetilata returned to Chitgaon, and in Chitgaon she took up a job of headmistress at local English medium secondary school called Nandakanan Aparnacharan School. Preetilata decided to join the Indian independence movement. Surya Sen had heard about her and wanted her to join their revolutionary group. On 13 June 1932, Preetilata met Surya Sen and Nirmal Sen in their Dalaghat camp. Revolutionary objected for that. Preetilata decided to join the Indian independence movement. Surya Sen had heard about her and wanted her to join their revolutionary group. On 13th June 1932, Preetilata met Surya Sen and Nirmal Sen in their Dalaghat camp. Contemporary revolutionary Binod Bihari Chaudhary objected that they did not allow women to join their group. However, Preetilata was allowed. Suraj Sen and his revolutionary decided to kill Mr. Creek, Inspector General of Chitgaon. Ramakrishna Bishwas was Kalipada Chakravarti were assigned for this task, but they mistakenly killed SP of Chandpur and Tarini Mukherjee instead of Creek. Ramakrishna Bishwas and Kalipada Chakravarti were arrested on 2nd December 1930. After the trial, Bishwas was ordered to be hanged till death and Chakravarti to be exiled to cellular jail. Meanwhile, Preetilata worked very courageously to motherland and revolutionary. The family and friends lacked the amount of money required to travel to Chitgaon to Alapuri jail of Calcutta, since at that time Preetilata was staying in Kolkata. She was asked to go to Alipuri jail and meet Ramakrishna Bishwas. Along with revolutionary group of Suraj Sen, Preetilata took part in many raids like attacks on telephone and telegraph offices and the capture of the reserve police line. In the Jalalabad battle, she took the responsibility to supply explosives to the revolutionaries. In 1932, Suraj Sen planned to attack Paharatali European Club, which had signboard that read "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Suraj Sen decided to appoint a woman leader for this mission. Kalpana Datta was arrested 7 days before the event. Because of the Preetilata was assigned the leadership of the attack. Preetilata went to Kothavali seaside for arms training and made the plan of their attack there. They decided to attack in the club on 24th September 1932. The members of the group were given potassium cyanide and they were told to swallow it if they were caught. On the day of the attack, Preetilata dressed herself as a Punjabi male. Her associates were dhotis, kurti, and lungi. They reached the club at around 10:45 p.m. and launched their attack. There were around 40 people inside the club. Then the revolutionary divided themselves into three separate groups of the attack. The building was set alight before they started shooting into it. In the club, a few police officers who had revolvers started shooting. Preetilata incurred a single bullet wound. According to police report, In this attack, one woman with a surname Shuloin died, and 4 men and 7 women were injured. An injured Preetilata was trapped by the British police. She sold cyanide to avoid getting arrested. The next day, the police found her body and identified her. The bullet injury was not very serious, and that cyanide poisonous was cause of her death. The Chief Secretary of Bengal reported to British authorities in London. In the report, it was written, when Preetilata फूल नहीं चिंगारी है, हम भारत की नारी है. Preetilata proved with her work that she was very brave and courageous. When Preetilata died, she was just 21. She sacrificed her life for Mother India and country's independence. We salute Preetilata. India never forget you. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, ज़रा आँख में भर लो पानी. जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी. ग्रैंड सैल्यूट टू प्रीतिलता एंड ऑल फ्रीडम फाइटर. जय हिंद, वंदे.